Commonly asked questions about the Rover. One was units of measurement. Typical people's screen is gonna look like that with 2 dials. So we'll just go from that. But you just go under display, units, you only have a couple different ones. So you got your speedometer, which you can set to obviously miles per hour, which is typically what we set them to. They come in on kilometers. You got your trip units here, which is going to be the exact same thing. Miles, kilometers, tire pressure, PSI, KPA, bar, and then temperature, Fahrenheit and Celsius. So typically when a car comes in, we set everything to the Americanized version, if that's a word. To set your language, there's actually more than I thought, but you got English UK, which is just English with an accent, English US, and they go on forever. So yeah, it'll be in here, and that just the language goes over with everything from everything on the displays to the navigation. I think another question someone had asked is going to be how you control the side steps on these vehicles. You go into this screen here, you just scroll, and you've got all your little modes right here. Scroll over one more, deployable side steps. Just click on that, hit that button. Now they're off or they're on. The off-road operation, all this does, you can hit that little eye and it'll tell you. So it allows it while you're in sand, any of the terrain responses, sand, rock, gravel. You got the roof access, which is just going to be whilst the vehicle's stationary. So whenever it's stopped, these will pop open. Roof access obviously is just makes the roof accessible. Bluetooth is super easy. Just click on your phone, pair a new device. Click on that. If you've got an iPhone, and Androids are going to be the same way, but you would just go into your settings, Bluetooth, and then it'll locate. Boom, Range Rover Sport. Click on that. It's going to pop this number up and it's going to match the number over here. And you just hit yes, hit pair on your phone, and now it'll pair Dennis's iPhone. So now that it's paired, you got it right there. You can disconnect it, you can connect whoever's phone this is, but to play your music, you would just go into the media, source, and you've got, boom, there it is right there, Dennis's iPhone. Click on that and it'll play the last song that I listened to, which is probably Celine Dion, I don't know. Settings button is always going to be this, and it's just the little sprockets there, and it works the same if you're in your phone. If you hit settings, it's going to pop up phone settings. It's going to pop up all the settings for the phone. So when you're on your home screen, it's going to pop up all your home settings, all settings, audio settings. So just go into all settings. Then you're going to go over to general, time and date. That's where you can change everything. So you can do 24, you can do 12, auto set, date format. You can change all kinds of little things there.